Good evening, everyone. My name is Khushbu Jain, and today I am going to teach you some sentences related to tell the truth, means such batao. But before teaching you that, I would like to request you all, if you don't have subscribed my channel, that is English with Khushbu Jain, please make it subscribed and don't forget to like, share, and press on the bell icon for new updates. So, students, let us start today's new topic, that is tell the truth, such batao. Number first, सच बताओ तुम कहाँ थे. Tell the truth, where were you? Second, सच बताओ ये किसने किया. Tell the truth, who did this? Third, सच बताओ तुम अभी कहाँ हो. Tell the truth, where are you now? Fourth, सच बताओ तुम कब आ रहे हो. Tell the truth, when are you coming? Fifth, सच बताओ उसने क्या बोला. Tell the truth, what did she or he say? Sixth, last but not least, सच बताओ ये नंबर किसका है. Now, let me know in the comment section that what will be the answer of this question. That's all for today. I hope you all liked it. Next time I will come with new topic and new video. Thank you and have a nice day.